How to get a refund from Epic Games. Now, as of 2025, coordinating or interacting with customer service live support from Epic Games is very simple and it's very quick. Now, I'm going to provide you steps first before you can go ahead and have a request of a refund, depending on which specific games or type of game where you executed purchases, items, or skins on that game. So first is use your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And where you would like to go is to go straight into store.epicgames.com. So this is their current homepage from Epic Games, and all you have to do is to click this option here that says support. Once you click that, Epic Games will distribute you to the designated area where you're located, and you should be here. Now, I have attempted to coordinate with one of their support earlier, but the option that you'll be seeing on screen is just a small box, like a search box. And what you want to type in is just simply type in refund on a certain purchased in type of a game. And then the Epic Support Assistant will automatically provide you specific questions such as what specific game or platform the purchase was made on and whether it was made with in-game currency or real money. And then you just need to be specific on write a message here, just simply sound professional because the very first reply that you will receive is from the AI. You would also like to be waiting on queue so that you will have a live support agent. Now make sure that you have necessary screenshots from the game that or the items or skins that you purchase so that it will also serve as one of your proof of purchase. And that's basically it. That's how you get a refund from Epic Games.